What was the primary objective of Operation Sindoor, launched by the Indian Armed Forces on May 7, 2025? The answer is option B: neutralize terrorist infrastructure in Pakistan and Pakistan occupied Jammu and Kashmir. What event triggered India to launch Operation Sindoor? The answer is option C: the Pahalgam terror attack. Operation Sindoor was launched in response to the Pahalgam terror attack on April 22, 2025, where Pakistan based terrorists killed 26 civilians, prompting strikes on terror camps. Which of the following is known as India's Sudarshan Chakra? The answer is option C: S-400 air defense system. What was the symbolic significance of naming the operation Sindoor? The answer is option B: tribute to the Pahalgam terror attack victims. Which Indian Armed Forces branches were involved in the coordinated effort of Operation Sindoor? The answer is option B: Army, Navy, and Air Force. Operation Sindoor was a tri-service operation involving the Indian Army, Navy, and Air Force, executed from Indian territory using precision-guided munitions. What measures were taken to ensure minimal collateral damage during Operation Sindoor? The answer is option A: precision munitions and target selection. The operation used advanced precision weapons like scalp and hammer, with targets chosen based on intelligence to avoid civilian areas and Pakistani military infrastructure. What type of missile is scalp used in Operation Sindoor, also known as Storm Shadow? The answer is option C: air to ground missile. It is an air launched cruise missile integrated with the Indian Air Force's Rafale fighter jets. Who was the Chief of Defence Staff (CDS) of India during Operation Sindoor? The answer is option A: Anil Chauhan. What type of drone is the SkyStriker? The answer is option B: combat drone. Who was the chief of the army staff during Operation Sindoor, overseeing the army's role in the tri-service operation? The answer is option C: General Upendra Dwivedi. Who was the chief of the air staff of the Indian Air Force during Operation Sindoor? The answer is option B: Air Chief Marshal A.P. Singh. Which chief of the naval staff was involved in the planning and execution of Operation Sindoor, ensuring naval readiness in the Arabian Sea? The answer is option C: Admiral Dinesh K. Tripathi. Which of the following is correct for the hammer bombs? The answer is option C, glide type air to ground precision weapon. What unique aspect of the relationship among the chiefs of the Army, Navy, and Air Force during Operation Sindoor enhanced tri service synergy? The answer is option B, course mates, classmates. General Upendra Dwivedi and Admiral Dinesh K. Tripathi were classmates at Sainik School. Rewa and all three chiefs, including Air Chief Marshal A.P. Singh, were NDA course mates, enhancing coordination in Operation Sindoor. How many terror sites were targeted during Operation Sindoor and how were they distributed? The answer is option A, 9 sites, 4 in Pakistan, 5 in Pakistan occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Which fighter jets were primarily used by the Indian Air Force to deliver precision strikes with Scalp cruise missiles during Operation Sindoor? The answer is option C, Rafale and Mirage 2000. Which agreement was signed between India and Pakistan in 1972? The answer is option A, Shimla Agreement. What is the name of the operation conducted by Indian government in response to the 2001 Indian Parliament attacks? The answer is option A, Operation Meghdoot. What is the name of India's developed air defense system equally capable as S-400? The answer is option A, Akashtir. Developed by Bharat Electronics Limited, that automates detection, tracking, and engagement of aerial threats like drones and missiles. In which year did the Indian naval operation Operation Trident take place? The answer is option C, 1971. Indian Navy attacked the Karachi port of Pakistan in the Indo-Pak War of 1971.